What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a geek. So here is a chain for the wallet which I bought. Let me show you. So yeah, it's quite nice. I wanna be honest here. I personally like it. Overall it's quite nice. Yeah, it was me Jimmy a geek. Subscribe. Yeah, that's all I can say. Personally I like it. Or a good quality but not the best quality, not even rugged quality. It's just there, so you cannot lose your wallet. It's not there, someone is snatching it, this can easily, I think, can break. I'm not sure. That's all I can say. Bye.